Time to change your religion like you change your underwear. Change your religion, show God that you really care. Change your religion, wanna try something new. Use your critical thinking skills to question all you eat, drink, buy, think, say, and do. Time to change your religion if it tells you to be cruel. Change your religion if it has a strange or crazy rule. Change your religion, wanna be an atheist every Sunday. What's important no matter what is that you don't listen to what all the mean people say. So change your religion like you change your underwear. Change your religion, show God that you really care. Change your religion, wanna try something new. Use your critical thinking skills to question all you eat, drink, buy, think, say, and do. Sing this song and be vegan from now on. Hello, all you religious freaks out there. I know what you're thinking. You atheists, you're thinking, I'm not religious. I'm not like those Scientologists. I'm not like those Jehovah's Witnesses who come to the house. And I'm thinking to myself, yeah, you are. You woke people who are not actually awake. How about you wake the fuck up, honestly? You are in this crazy cult. It's called carnism. You know, when the Jehovah's Witnesses come to my door, I actually don't mind. At least I can talk to them. I make a deal. I'll talk to you for 10 minutes about whatever I want. You talk to me for 10 minutes about whatever you want. And usually they say, okay. They're a little hesitant, but then I say, I go first. Then I start telling them about the meat industry, how they treat animals so badly, how the animals are living through a holocaust. I tell them about the dairy industry and the egg industry. And then when my time's up, when the bell goes ding, it's their turn. And they talk to me all about the God and the religion and how I should be awake and whatever it is that they're saying. Half the time I'm not really listening because, you know, it's all bullshit. But you guys who think that these people, the Jehovah's Witnesses and the Scientologists are all crazy. Well, you know, I offer you this, that you are just as crazy. This cult of carnism that you are in, and so are these religious people, actually the vast majority of people on earth, are stuck in, you cannot even see that you're in it because you're so deeply buried. You are stuck in cognitive dissonance where you think you're a good person walking around the earth and you're like giving a bit of money to the poor here and there, and like people like Mr. Beast who's giving out, you know, trying to clean out all the oceans with this new sea pub cleanup project. Meanwhile, they're there eating fish and, you know, which the industries are dumping all this kind of plastic and the nets into the oceans. I mean, it's all bullshit. Where is the moral consistency? Where is the logical consistency with all of you? Why are you not all vegan? Why are you so afraid to learn the truth about what happens to the animals in these industries? What is it? Seriously, you will make up any excuses. I mean, even the most intellectual of you will say, but plants have feelings. Like, honestly, it's insane. And if I give you the example that of course they don't have feelings, and that is why when the firefighters come to put out a fire at your house, they're not rushing in to save the plants. They're like, well, the firefighters don't yet know. And you can explain to people about the brain and how plants don't have a nervous system, and you know, they won't listen to anything. The problem with people today is they are stuck in a cult and they don't even know it, and they are insane. So what would it take for you people to stop paying into the cycles of violence that the meat, dairy, and dairy industries are part of? These are horrible places. You can choose to be vegan from now on. So watch the important documentary. Seriously. Go to it, watchdominion.com, and tell me all the animals that you see there, and then tell me how you're going to press the notification bell and help me get these animals out of hell. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. La 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 la. Oh my God, it's vegan lasagna. La 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 la. Oh my God, it's vegan lasagna. Yeah. Go veg yourself. Go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan. Go veg yourself. Go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan. Don't ask me why I'm vegan. Ask yourself why you are not. check the label. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray! Are you vegan yet? Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door. Saving animals begins with you. If your neighbor can be vegan, then so can you. Cow's milk is for baby cows. I hate to break it to you. If your mama is not a cow, that milk is not for you. Cow's milk is for baby cows. I hate to break it to you. If your mama is not a cow, that milk is not for you. Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.